If you've been looking for a hosting or discount code, you came on the right video. Just click the link in my description or scan the QR code on your screen.
It'll automatically redirect you to your local Hostinger page, where you'll see a message right at the top confirming that the referral code is applied. It will help you get a 20% discount when buying your hosting. This coupon code works for all kinds of plans, and for a demo, let me show you with the business plan. I'll click on Choose Plan, and at the checkout, you'll see the extra 20% discount is already applied, allowing you to buy the exact same hosting and the exact same plan much cheaper than the regular price. This doesn't only work for the 48-month plan, it also works perfectly for the 24-month plan and the 12-month plan. So no matter which duration you choose, you are going to get that discount. Plus, if you go with the 48-month plan, it offers some great extras, like getting 3 months of extra hosting completely free, and you'll get free mailboxes for a whole year. No matter which plan fits your goals, right now is a really good time to buy your hosting. Just click the link down in the description below, lock in your plan, and claim your 20% discount today.